Alright, so I've managed to desolder the inductor that was there before. I'll show you what it looked like, or what was left of it. Yeah, that's too much what was left, so if I just get something that's white, such as this. That's how much was left of it. And these are my new ones. For now I'll fit just one, so I just need to check that I don't have a short across here, because I think some of the solder might have flowed across. So there we go, and okay, silent, same pad, yep, good. Double check, center, same pad, other pad, no shorty, good. Okay, so okay. Hopefully there's no flux residue won't mess things up for me. Okay, as far as I'm aware, inductors have no polarity, it's simply a coil. But I will try to get it as symmetrically as possible. Okay, we're about to do this strata. How do I peel back this backing? It's hermetically sealed out around every single one, but I thought it was a tape. Okay. Yep, that will work. And this, folks, is why you shouldn't use magnetic tweezers. So let's get it into position. And this is magnetic as well. So, for crying out loud, it is. Alright, penknife it is. And a little bit to the left, or what probably looks to you as your right. And I just get it into position and then mess it up. Okay. Tips looks clean, let me just tin it a bit. Okay, tip is all good. Alrighty then. So if I get it about there, hopefully heating it. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. My camera battery decided to die. Not before it managed to capture, funny enough, a snippet of a noob mistake where I managed to solder the inductor to the soldering wire. But as you can see from the photo, I did manage to complete it in the end and it's working fine. I've load tested it with several large files, so it was downloading at full speed for extended periods of time and it ran fine, no problems. So that's the ADSL tested as what the inductor was for. A shout out to Nick Norton who measured the inductor for me on his DG834N. If it wasn't for him, I would have never known what inductance it was and never known which to get to replace it. So he's probably been waiting for a response from me for about 9 months, since that's when I asked him to measure the inductor. But yeah, I had some trouble sourcing the inductor to begin with, and then it wasn't worth paying £8 or so to get it delivered for something that will only cost me 13 pence. So, but in the end, I've replaced it, it's working, so woohoo! Well, that's the end of me rambling, actually. I'm rambling now. So, adios.